Hi, folks. Thanks for tuning in. I just wanted to talk about a, a rule that I don't think everybody knows about, and I think it's helpful for trading. It's commonly called the fill or show rule. The official name, I believe, is the limit order display rule. And basically, what that means is if you're looking at a stock, or in this example, we'll talk about an option. Obviously, there's the prices that are listed as the bid and the ask, sometimes referred to as the offer. And ideally, what you want to do is you want to trade something with a small or a tight bid-ask spread, what they call. And if it's a wide bid-ask spread, what you want to do is you want to try and get inside the spread. And it's helpful to know what the other market participants are doing. If you try and get into the spread a little bit too much, if you're a little bit too greedy, then your order won't get filled. And what I'm going to show you here is actually how your order, how you can actually encourage the stock or the option that you're trying to purchase to actually run away from you. And what I'm going to do is show you, like I said, the fill or show rule. Now, if you have something that's trading at, say, like $5 by $5.30, and you put in a buy order for $5.10. Well, the market maker has two options that he has to do by law. He can fill you or he can show you. Obviously, if he fills your order, then you've just purchased that stock or that option, whatever, for $5.10. If he does not fill you, he has to show you. And what I mean by that is he has to display that your order is not fillable. And the way they typically do that is they will change the bid to whatever your ask or whatever your offer is. So in this case, it was $5.10. If you put in an order for $5.10, if you're not filled, you'll see the bid immediately change to $5.10. So I'm going to show you. I'm actually going to show you this with an options trade that I did today. So on Thinkorswim, one of the things you can do is you can right-click on the option and take it right to your trade grid. And what that will do is it will populate a level 2 of the option, and you'll see it start to populate here in the upper left-hand part of your screen. And here you can see that the option has populated in the trade grid, and you can see what the option is trading at each of the different exchanges in terms of both price and size. So if you look on the order size in the options chain, you'll see that it's $2.99 on the bid and $22 on the ask. And that's also represented in the level 2 as well. And what that means is that at each representative exchange, there are 299 orders to sell at $2.80, and there are 22 orders to buy at $3, and those orders are essentially waiting to be filled. And so by looking at the order amounts and the price, you can gain a little bit of insight as to the market activity. For example, on the ask side, we can see that there's two orders at each different exchange, the New York and the Boston exchange. There's orders 33 total to be filled at $3. After that, it's $3.10 for the rest of the exchanges. So that can indicate that maybe the price is about to go up. If those $3 orders are filled, then that might bring the ask up to $3.10. So you can kind of see how the option price might increase, and this is just kind of an insight as to that. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to buy a call on the SKF because I think it's going to go up. So if I purchase a call on the SKF and I put in an order for $2.95, I'm probably going to get filled right away. But because of the bid-ask spread, if I put it in at $2.90, I may or I may not get filled, and we'll see. So when I enter the order, you're going to see, boom, right there. I just entered the order, and we now see that the bid-ask size has gone down to 1 by 22. That one order is my order waiting to be filled. And the other on the ask side are the orders that are still remaining to be filled on that side as well. But you can see how my order changed the entire level 2, and we can see how the market maker, because he didn't fill me right there on the spot, he had to show me why he didn't fill me. And the reason why he didn't fill me is because he changed the bid, the price that he is going to sell me the option, to $2.90. And right there you can see that I was filled, and you can see immediately after I was filled, the bid side of the level 2 adjusted accordingly, as did the size. So essentially he had to fill my order before he could fill anybody else's. Now I'm still learning all this too, so I encourage you to do your research, but this is just one of those rules that you just don't hear people talking a lot about, and I thought I would share it all with you. So I hope that this has been informative, and thanks for watching.